Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, locally, the weather continues to be just fine, but all eyes to our north and west out towards Worcester, Massachusetts, and outside of Springfield. Doesn't look like much, but this narrow line of orange and red, a line of severe storms, has had a history of producing hail and some damaging wind. A few more storms south of Hartford right now. So the best chance of anything strong to severe over the next, say, 1 to 3 hours would be in the northern part of the state, north and west of Providence. Now, what we can do is actually take sort of a CAT scan or a cross-section of these thunderstorms, and by looking at them in 3 dimensions and seeing how they look in as far as extending high up into the atmosphere, we can get a better idea as far as the severity of these storms and whether or not they have the potential to produce damaging wind and hail and things like that. And we can certainly circumnavigate around and in all directions right now. Now, these storms are towering anywhere from 25 to almost 30,000 feet into the atmosphere, and we consider that strong to borderline severe. The radar just updating right now. Now, you can see the northwest corner of the state right in here. So this line of storms stretching from just out north and west of Boston through Worcester, and the tracking in this general direction. So again, the main concern as far as any potential severe weather over the next couple of hours would be the northwest part of the state. Elsewhere, we feel as though the storms, as they move further to the south, are going to weaken substantially. So the threat tracker through at least 7 o'clock in the evening, we'll put it in the medium category, and essentially for the northwest corner of the state, the severe thunderstorm watch for the areas in yellow until 7 o'clock in the evening. Threat tracker is low once again. Both Friday and Saturday, both of those days look decent. Latest severe thunderstorm warning now is up in Worcester County, Massachusetts. This area shaded in red with hail and damaging wind. There are no warnings elsewhere, but we'll watch the northern part of the state. Lightning tracker to our north. You see numerous cloud to ground lightning strikes about 30 to 45 miles north and west of Providence. I mean, we still have hazy sunshine right now. It's pretty quiet, but we'll keep an eye to that northwest sky. It's still very mild. Temperatures are in the upper 70s, though cooler near the ocean right now with readings in the 60s. You see the bright white clouds to our north and west, and that's where the showers and storms are located right now. Here's the wider view. What's causing the storms? A couple of cold fronts to our north and west. Once they sweep through this evening and overnight, it'll bring a return to some quieter weather for both Friday and Saturday. Futurecast starts off this evening, and then notice northwest corner of the state by around 7 o'clock, that line of showers and storms. Watch how it just fizzles out. In fact, by 11 o'clock, skies are clearing out. The rest of the night looks fine, and this sets up for a decent Friday as temperatures warm up into the upper 70s to lower 80s, at least across inland areas. Here's your 7-day Futurecast, looking good for both Friday and Saturday. Unfortunately, wet weather for Sunday. I mean, we need the rain. It'd be nice if it would not occur on the weekend, but right now a half and half weekend. Much needed rain on Sunday, perhaps up to a ½ inch, and turning cooler. Talk about cool. Look at Monday and Tuesday of next week with daytime highs only in the 60s and then warming up beyond that. So in the near term, next couple of hours, we'll watch the northwest corner of the state, northeastern Connecticut, out towards Bellingham and southern Worcester County next couple of hours. Elsewhere, I don't expect any severe weather.
Half an inch of rain on Sunday?
Considering we've only had a ½ inch for the entire month of May, we'll take it.
Yeah. All right. Thanks, Tony.